doing now? Okay. I think I'm going to stay here. You do whatever you'd like to do. You be you, little man. That's beautiful. Go, Mr. B. Oops. We could go walk out in the rain if you'd like. Do you wanna? Do you wanna walk out in the rain? I'll get my socks wet for you. Alright, we're gonna walk out in the rain now. Are you ready? Oh yeah, we're being hit by raindrops. What do you think? My socks are now soaked. What are your thoughts? You doing okay? You're not screaming. Okay, you're nervous now. Alright, we're back in. You did it!